Get ready, because this is not your usual scroll-through video. This is entertainment with a story worth staying for. Today, we dive into the world of Chlo Ains, better known as Xclomber_X, a rising model and digital creator who has turned social media into her personal runway. From viral TikTok trends to eye-catching Instagram looks, Chlo isn't just posting content, she's building a brand of confidence, style, and authenticity. But here's the twist, her journey is more than just numbers and likes. It's about how a young woman with passion and personality can stand out in the crowded world of influencers and capture attention with both charm and boldness. So buckle up, because in the next few minutes, we're going to explore not just who Chlo Ains is, but why she's quickly becoming one of the most talked about names in the modeling and social media scene. And trust me, you'll want to see this through till the end. Chlo Ains didn't start out with the spotlight on her. Like many young women, her first steps on Instagram were simple, casual photos, everyday moments, and a love for fashion that she couldn't help but share. Her feed reflected a girl-next-door vibe, someone relatable who enjoyed putting outfits together and capturing her lifestyle. But it was when she expanded to TikTok that things truly began to shift. The short-form videos, the trends, and the entertaining challenges gave her a platform to showcase more than just looks. It allowed her personality to shine. What started as a hobby soon turned into momentum, as more people began discovering her content and engaging with her unique style. In many ways, her beginnings show that even the most ordinary posts can become the foundation for something much bigger. One of the things that makes Chlo Ains stand out is the way she presents herself. She radiates confidence and positivity, embracing who she is without trying to fit into anyone else's mold. Instead of portraying a picture-perfect image, she lets her audience see the real, unfiltered side of her life, the fun nights out, the gym sessions, the silly moments with friends. This natural and spontaneous vibe makes her more than just another model on social media. She feels approachable, like someone you could easily connect with in real life. That balance between beauty, humor, and authenticity is what gives her content such a strong appeal, and it's a big reason why people keep coming back to follow her journey. On Instagram, Chlo Ains curates a feed that perfectly blends lifestyle with fashion. Her posts range from stylish outfit shots that highlight her sense of fashion, to gym looks that show her active side, and candid moments hanging out with friends. Every now and then, you'll also see glimpses of her travels, adding that extra touch of adventure and excitement to her profile. What's clear from her content is that Chlo has a natural eye for style. She doesn't just follow trends, she makes them her own. Whether it's a casual streetwear look, a night-out outfit, or a simple everyday vibe, her posts reflect her love for elegance and individuality. It's this mix of authenticity and chic presentation that keeps her audience scrolling and engaging with every update she shares. While Instagram showcases Chlo's polished style, TikTok is where her personality truly shines. Her videos cover everything from trending dances and funny skits to relatable everyday moments that her audience loves. She knows how to ride the wave of viral challenges while still putting her own twist on them, which makes her content both entertaining and memorable. One standout example is her Pink Power Ranger clip, which skyrocketed to over 200,000 views, proof of how her energy and creativity capture attention on the platform. But beyond the numbers, it's the lighthearted, spontaneous vibe in her TikToks that makes her content binge-worthy. Viewers don't just watch her videos, they feel like they're hanging out with her, sharing in those little slices of life that keep her fanbase growing steadily. One of the most impressive aspects of Chlo's journey is the way her audience engages with her. Even though she's technically considered a nano-influencer, her videos often reach numbers that rival much bigger creators. Some of her clips rack up hundreds of thousands of views, proving that quality and relatability matter more than follower count. Her comment sections are filled with supportive messages, compliments, and genuine interactions from fans who feel connected to her. This strong engagement shows that her audience doesn't just passively watch, they actively participate in her journey, creating a community around her content. Beyond the outfits, the TikTok trends, and the fun moments, Chlo carries a message that resonates deeply: self-confidence. She embraces her body and her individuality, sending a clear signal that beauty isn't about fitting into one mold, it's about owning who you are. This positive approach to body image and natural beauty is one of the biggest reasons her followers are drawn to her. In a digital world often dominated by filters and unrealistic standards, Chlo's authenticity stands out. She shows her audience that confidence is the real glow up, and that message keeps inspiring more people to follow and support her. Every influencer has those key moments that spark a wave of attention, and for Chlo Ains, it's no different. Some of her standout TikToks include lighthearted clips of nights out with her friends, the kind of relatable content that makes viewers feel like they're part of the fun. These spontaneous, unfiltered moments often gain traction because they capture real-life energy that people connect with. Then there are the trend-based videos, like her pink Power Ranger performance, which exploded with over 200,000 views. These clips not only boosted her visibility but also positioned her as someone who knows how to balance entertainment with authenticity. In a crowded space filled with influencers competing for attention, it's these memorable posts that helped Chlo carve out her own space and stand out from the noise. The world of social media is one of the most competitive spaces out there. With countless models and influencers posting daily, standing out is no easy task. For Chlo Ains, this means constantly navigating an environment where trends shift quickly, and new faces appear every day. What sets her apart, however, is her authenticity. She doesn't rely on copying others or trying to fit into a pre-made image. Instead, she leans into her own personality, her natural charm, and her unique sense of style. That honesty and originality give her an edge, proving that being genuine can sometimes be the strongest strategy in a crowded digital world. Before we wrap things up, let's take a moment to reflect on what makes Chlo Ains' journey so inspiring. In a world where social media often pushes unrealistic standards and carefully staged perfection, Chlo stands out by simply being herself. She reminds us that confidence isn't about having the perfect look, it's about owning who you are and sharing that unapologetically with the world. Her content proves that people connect more deeply with authenticity than with filters or staged moments. By sharing her outfits, her nights out, her gym routines, and even her everyday laughs, she shows that there is beauty in the ordinary, and power in the natural. This is exactly why her audience feels so close to her, because they see a reflection of themselves in her. As her journey continues, the big question is, what's next for Chlo Ains? With her growing audience and undeniable presence, it's easy to imagine her collaborating with fashion brands, becoming the face of campaigns, or even expanding into other platforms like YouTube where she could share longer-form content. But no matter how far her career takes her, what will truly define her success is whether she stays true to the qualities that made people fall in love with her in the first place: her spontaneity, her positivity, and her down-to-earth personality. If she continues to embrace those traits, the future looks incredibly bright for Chlo Ains. And that wraps up our deep dive into the journey of Chlo Ains, _X. Her story shows us how confidence, authenticity, and creativity can truly make someone stand out in today's crowded social media world. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more inspiring stories like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Your support helps us keep creating content that's both entertaining and meaningful, and trust me, what we've got coming next, you won't want to miss.